Hello and welcome all. So today's vlog is shapes in space and this is the concluding part. So without wasting your time, let's start. And in this vlog, I'll take few worksheets related to this topic. So first is fill in the blanks, and in this two options are given and we have to choose the correct option. Okay, and I have drawn the figure as well. So first is square has dash sides, 3 side or 4 side, and figure is also drawn. So it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is correct. So we'll just write down 4 in the space provided. Okay. Then next is triangle has dash corners, 1 or 3. So triangle has how many corners? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 corners. It means we'll write 3 here. Okay. Then rectangle has dash corners, 2 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. So we'll write down 4 in the space provided. The next is circle is a dash curve. Closed curve or open curve? So it is a closed curve. It's not open from anywhere. So close is the correct answer. So we'll write down close here. Okay. So close is the answer that we'll write down here. Then in a square dash sides are equal, 4 or 3. And we all know in a square all the 4 sides are equal. So 4 option is correct. Okay. Then next question, and there are two methods of solving this question. Either we can match the figure with the words given, okay, or we can just match the figure with the figure. Let's see this. Okay, so first is circle. So where circle is written here? Here. So we'll simply match this by drawing the line. Okay, then next is triangle. So triangle will match with the triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. So we'll match this with the triangle. Then comes rectangle. So we'll find out where rectangle is written. Here it is written. So we'll simply match this by joining the line. Okay. Then comes square. So we'll join square with square. Then second method is we have to match figure with the figure. Okay. So circle is drawn here. Where circle is here? At last. So we'll simply join this by drawing the line. Then we'll match triangle with triangle, rectangle with rectangle, and square with square. Okay. Then next very important question is circle the biggest and take the smallest shape. So in this figure 4 shapes are given or 4 shapes are drawn, and we ask the children to circle the biggest one and take the smallest one. Okay. So here in this figure, in first place 4 circles are drawn. So which one is biggest? This one is biggest. So simply circle this. Okay, and we have to take the smallest one out of these 4. So this one is smallest. So it simply take this. Then come 4 stars. So which star is biggest? This one is biggest. So simply circle this and we'll take the smallest one. Then come third one. This is a triangle and there are 4 triangles. So this one is biggest. So we'll simply circle this and we'll take the smallest one. Okay. Then come diamond shape. Diamond shape means very good example is kite. Okay. So we can imagine this as a kite. And so which one is biggest? This one is biggest. So we simply circle this and we'll take the smallest one. Okay. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it and see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.